Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Plug your base into the interface's instrument input with a 1/4 TS cable, or use a die if needed. Once connected, power the interface and connect via USB or Thunderbolt to your Mac. Open Garageband and create a new audio project. Choose electric bass or a blank audio track. Make sure Garageband recognizes the interface in Preferences Audio/MIDI. Select Input and set buffer size low for monitoring. Now you focus on signal chain and tone. Arm the track for recording and choose the interface input that your bass is using. Play aggressively while watching the meter. Set gain so peaks sit just below 0 dB to prevent clipping. Once levels are set, enable software monitoring in Garageband or use your interface's direct monitor to eliminate latency. Adjust the track's amp simulator or plugins to shape tone. Once satisfied, do a short test recording to confirm clarity and timing. Finish by recording clean takes. Use punch-in and comping to stitch the best performances and record multiple passes for safety. After recording, apply amp sims, EQ, and gentle compression to sit the bass in the mix. Use low cut to remove rumble and boost 80-120 Hz for body. If you hear nothing, check the cable and input, confirm the interface is selected in Garageband, verify system audio permissions, and restart the app or interface. One of these steps usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.